So there's an example question here of where 3 approvals are needed from 3 different groups at one status, and we have multiple people from each group as approvers. Is there a way to make sure that each approver in approving for a different group slash team inside of JSM? So there are a couple ways to address this. If you wanted that done in one status, there is an option to have an approval for a group or multiple groups. And there's an option in Jira that you could check that says all groups or all users have to approve in order for the actual request to continue going. If you don't check that box, it's only one user or one group that needs to approve for the request to move forward. But if you do check it, then you could have multiple approvers within that request that need to approve prior to moving forward. The second way is just to have different approval layers. So you could have group 1 approve in one status, group 2 approve in the second status, group 3 approve in another status. That's pretty common for like change advisory boards. I've done that quite a bit with if you're making a change, there is a cab approval first or a manager approval first that goes into a cab approval after that. So there's a couple of options you have there.
Real quick, I've implemented Jira for over 200 companies. By far, the #1 reason teams reach out to us is because they built what they thought was a great solution, only to realize that nobody actually ended up using it. And if that sounds familiar, that's exactly what we help you fix. We're currently taking on new projects 4 to 6 weeks out. And if you want help implementing Jira in a way that your team will actually use, hit the first link in the description below.